By 2050, we need to feed an additional 2.5 billion people. It will be catastrophic if we get it wrong.
There's no time to spare. We need to wake the world up.
We must do it for this generation in order to be able to feed the next. Our future can never be an educated guess.
Precision farming is the key.
We have all been working hard for years to reduce the carbon footprint of farming, and we are winning. You are the brightest and the best. This is the most important industry on Earth. We need to tell the world what agriculture is really about. This is a real-world hunger game. Agricultural progress has always been driven by machinery.
Adam, it's Will here. Are you on site?
Arrived on site.
New Holland is expecting you.
Evelyn, contact the Blackgrass Task Force at Bayer Crop Science UK. I want to make sure that we are on top of it.
Roger that.
We need to collect data from a model farm running at full efficiency. The food and farming industry is worth £100 billion to the UK economy.
It's all about sustainability. We are all in this together.
Customers must know where the milk and dairy products comes from. There is a constantly growing demand globally for British produce.
We must make everyone understand that food matters. To be a farmer, you have to be an entrepreneur. We believe in being commercially focused. The food chain never stops.